Let's hop into another book. It's story time. Grow, Raise, Catch. How We Get Our Food by Shelley Rotner. A long time ago, there were no stores or refrigerators. To survive, people had to grow, gather, hunt, and fish for their food. Milk came right from the cow every morning. Eggs were gathered from the chickens. Butter and cheese were made at home. People ate vegetables, fruits, meat, and fish as soon as they were harvested or caught, or they preserved them to eat after the growing season was over. Today, most people buy their food from stores. However, more people are buying fresh foods locally at farmers markets or farm stands. But where does the food come from? And whom can we thank for producing it? Food comes from our earth. It takes sun, nutritious soil, fresh air, and clean water to have healthy food. We can thank our farmers and fishermen for our food. They grow the vegetables, grains, and fruits. They raise the animals and catch the fish that we eat. I'm a vegetable farmer. I love to plant seeds in my fields and see the greens grow and grow. When they're ripe and ready, I harvest them so you can have fresh, delicious salad too. Lettuce is a leaf vegetable. Even though it's mostly made up of water, it's very nutritious. Tomatoes are usually red, but they can be green, purple, yellow, white, black, pink, orange, or even striped. Peppers can taste sweet or spicy hot. Carrots grow underground. Cucumbers grow on creeping vines. We're vegetable farmers. We love to grow peppers, carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes. We're berry farmers. We grow mostly blueberries on bushes on our farm because they taste good. They're good for you and they grow well in the soil where we live. Blueberries are one of the only natural foods that are blue. Strawberries are the only fruit that has seeds on the outside, not on the inside. They are the first fruit to ripen every spring. Raspberries are usually red, but they can be black, purple, and yellow too. The plant has sharp thorns. I'm a citrus farmer. I grow orange trees in groves where the weather stays warm all year round. Most oranges are made into juice. We're fruit farmers. We grow peaches and crispy apples on trees in an orchard. We like to see them grow from buds to flowers to delicious ripe fruit. It takes about 36 apples to make a gallon of cider. There are over 700 kinds of peaches. I'm a wheat farmer. Wheat is a kind of grass that has been growing for a very long time. I love to see the golden fields of wheat swaying in the wind. Wheat grains are ground up to make flour. Bread, spaghetti, tortillas, and cereal are often made with wheat flour. I'm a rice farmer. I grow rice in wet fields called paddies. Rice is the seed of a certain kind of grass. Rice feeds half the world's population. There are 40,000 kinds of rice, but brown rice is the most nutritious. We're potato farmers. It's been in our blood for 7 generations. The plants have white flowers. It's beautiful to see the fields in bloom. We like to harvest and dig them up because it's always a bit of a surprise. Potatoes come in many different colors, shapes, and sizes. I'm a corn farmer. I grow corn on stalks in fields. The leafy part of the plant grows ears, which contain the seeds called kernels. Popping the kernels of a certain kind of corn makes popcorn. Corn always has an even number of rows. I'm a dairy farmer. I raise cows for their milk. They're curious animals and creatures of habit. They always come into the barn in the same order. Milk is the main ingredient in butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Yum! I'm a beef farmer. I raise cattle for their meat. I love seeing the cows out in the pasture. Cows eat mostly grass. Hamburgers and steak come from cattle. I'm a chicken farmer. I like to listen to many sounds they make to say they're happy or to sound a warning against a predator. It takes a chicken a whole day to lay an egg, and after they do, they cluck. Eggs come in different colors depending on the chicken's breed. I'm a pig farmer. I raise pigs for their meat. They're really smart animals. Pork comes from pigs. Pork chops, bacon, hot dogs, and pepperoni are all made from pork. I'm a fisherman. I catch big ocean fish. I like to be on a boat far from land, although deep sea fishing is hard work. Fish often swim together in groups called schools. I'm a shellfish farmer. I dig for clams and harvest scallops and oysters. These fish have hard shells for protection. I am a lobster fisherman. I catch lobsters with traps out in the ocean. Lobsters shed their shells as they grow. We have a family farm. We raise chickens for eggs and meat and goats for milk. We also grow our own vegetables and fruits. We raise bees and get honey from the hives. We tap the sap from our maple trees to make maple syrup. We make jelly from our grapes. We get sunflower seeds from our sunflowers. We like to know where our food comes from. We compost our leftover scraps of food by putting them back into the soil to make the soil healthier and more fertile. Then our food and animals will be healthier too. People can grow their own food in gardens or pots in the country or city. Some cities have community gardens and rooftop gardens. And that's the end. Until we read again.